this is an unboxing video, manufacturer number 90606. It's made by Streamlight. It's your Knucklehead light. I'm going to take it out here so you can get a closer look at everything. Here we have a brochure of additional flashlights from Streamlight. Operating instructions. Your Allen key or wrench for working on the light. Got 4 screws here for your wall mount. Your on-off switch is right here. It is adjustable. Your batteries would go in down here. This is what the batteries are placed in, is in this thing right here. Your wall mount charger.